How's it going, everyone? So, in this video, I'm going to talk about um, how to get rid of hiccups, pressure point. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So yeah, hiccups, pressure point, very, very important. The reason why, I don't know, the pressure points aren't the best way for getting rid of hiccups. I know the title of the video says this, but it's not the best option. The reason for this is because there's other ways that are so much simpler. First thing is going to be hydration. I'm going to put a link in the description box to some liquid IV hydration packs. These are amazing for getting rid of hiccups because the liquid IV gets you hydrated 4 times as much as having 1 cup of water. So it's similar to having 1 liter of water. It's absolutely insane. It's one of the best things that you can do for getting rid of hiccups. I highly recommend it. So yeah, really recommend that you guys get the liquid IV. So yeah, really recommend that you guys do that. Next one is going to be breathing into a paper bag. Very simple, very easy. Just get a paper bag, breathe into it. By controlling your breathing, what this does is this helps to minimize the hiccups, because hiccups, you're getting the hiccups because you're not controlling your breathing. So breathing into a paper bag, very easy. Gargle with salt water, another very simple thing to do. And yeah, end the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. Thank you.